Understanding Home Skillet, a fun English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a unique and playful phrase in English, home skillet. This phrase is a great example of informal, colloquial language that adds flavor to everyday English conversations. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how to use it. Home skillet is a term that originates from African American Vernacular English, AAVE. It's a playful variation of the more commonly known phrase, home slice, which itself means a close friend or companion. The addition of skillet, instead of slice, adds a whimsical twist, keeping the friendly connotation while introducing a new, catchy sound. In essence, home skillet is used to refer to a good friend or someone you feel comfortable and casual with. It's a term of endearment that conveys closeness and camaraderie. For example, you might greet a friend by saying, "What's up, home skillet?" This phrase is best used in informal settings among friends or peers. It's important to understand the cultural context of home skillet. This phrase is deeply rooted in African American culture and has been popularized through media, especially in movies and music. While it's a fun and friendly term, it's crucial to use it appropriately and with respect for its cultural origins. There are several similar phrases in English that convey the same sense of friendship and informality. These include terms like buddy, pal, mate, and homeboy, homegirl. Each of these has its unique nuance and can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the relationship with the person you're speaking to. Home skillet is a playful and affectionate term that adds color to everyday English conversations. Remember, it's a casual phrase best used among friends in informal settings. We hope this video has been fun and informative. Keep exploring the rich and diverse expressions of the English language, and see you next time.